Hello everyone, welcome to Cassandra's Chinese Food Kitchen. This is Xu Qiubai, one of my favorite Chinese writers in 20th century. Before he was killed in the Civil War, he wrote, Chinese tofu is the most delicious in the world. Farewell, my comrades. What a pity. Almost a century later, many people outside China still think tofu is just one thing. I am very sad for him. So today, in his honor, we are going to learn about different kinds of tofu. First, there are firm tofu and soft tofu. Firm tofu is made with bitter, so it's a bit firmer. Soft tofu is made with gypsum, so it's much more delicate and silky. You might think it's hard to tell the difference, so let's use another way. Firm tofu can hold its shape even outside the container. Sometimes it comes in a box with some liquid, and it's firm enough to pick up easily. When you cut it, you will notice smaller air pockets inside, such as this. Soft tofu, sometimes also called silken tofu, is much smoother, but also very fragile. Once you take it out, it breaks apart easily. We need some skills to open it. It is very difficult to keep the shape without box. So you can use a scissor, cut the box. That's okay. It's very easy to break. So we usually use firm tofu for braising or hot pot. Soft tofu is better for cold dishes or for soups. It is very mild in flavor. You can enjoy it in savory dishes, sweet dishes, and even dessert. Next is frozen firm tofu. Remember the small air pockets in firm tofu? After cutting and freezing, the water inside turns into ice and creates more tiny holes. It's as hard as a rock. But it becomes soft and springy after you thaw it, just like a sponge. It soaks up the flavor from the soup. Be careful. The hot liquid inside can also burn your tongue. But I must say, it's very delicious, so it's worth the risk. Then there are dried tofu sheets and tofu skin. They are also confused as twins. Dried tofu sheets are prized, so they are thicker and have rougher surface. Almost like a piece of fabric. Tofu skin, on the other hand, is from boiling soy milk. We get the thin layer on the surface, then dry it. Tofu skin comes in different forms. It can be fresh or dried, thick or thin, but in general, it's softer and smoother than dried tofu sheets. Sometimes, even Chinese people mix up their names. If you want dry tofu sheets, ask for the firmer and chewier one. If you want tofu skin, ask for the softer and silkier one. Next is yuba, our bean curd sticks. People collected the tofu skins and layered them together, then dry them to get yuba. It's hollow, a bit like hollow pasta, so it can absorb a lot of soup or sauce. You need to soak it before cooking. If you use warm water with a little salt and white vinegar, it will be ready in about 1 or 2 hours, such as this, the softened one. And this, guess what is it? It's frozen dried tofu. But sorry, this is not for us, but a very popular treat snack for hamsters in China. Yeah, Chinese people eat tofu. Chinese hamsters also eat tofu. My hamster's name is Hamchiavelli. She likes frozen dried tofu very much.